Good day and welcome back to my channel once again. In this video, let us quickly discuss the latest withdrawal update on B network. Okay, and if so first time coming to my channel, consider subscribing. As you can see, this is my new account on B network, and recently a lot of withdrawal news are currently ongoing. So here we're going to discuss everything in detail. Number one, all you need to do to be qualified to withdraw, and secondly, which kind of balance are they withdrawing now, because on the airdrop we have a different balance, like the mining balance, the team referral balance, as well as the reward. Okay, so we're going to discuss everything in detail. As you can see, this is my new account B network, and it is mining right now with the current balance of 4.6 B, and it is mining 0.22 B per hour. And also guys, as you can see right there, if you are interested in boosting your B network speed, you can click on this and it will just show you an ads to watch. After watching it, the speed will be increased. So the most important question now is the withdrawal, right? So if we come to the wallet section down there, you will see that I have created the wallet, and the wallet is showing Ethereum. For those of you that have not created wallet, when you are here, it will show you something like this initially. So they will ask you to enter your fingerprint or your password, and your wallet will be created. Okay, for the purpose of this video, let me go back to the main wallet that I just created, and as you can see, the network showing there is Ethereum. So B network is an Ethereum project. Not only that, if we click on this sign here, which is the sign up there, you can select it from Ethereum to Arbitrum to BNB Smart Chain to Polygon. So all these chains, all these wallets are supported by B network, and as well as Solana, as you can see down there. So guys, when you have successfully done that, the next thing is you can see options here like sending, receiving, and history. In place of send here, this is where you can set your coin to another wallet. Okay, you understand? So if there's any exchange that B airdrop have been listed there, you can transfer from here, which is you click on send and fill the address of the wallet you want to send to. You enter the amount in ETH, then you enter the maximum and send to it. And if you want to receive, you click on receive here, then you copy your Solana address or you copy the QR code and send to your partner that want to send the airdrop to you, then you receive. Okay, the next important thing is that when you are here, the balance is of two categories. We have the one called blockchain and the one called rewards. Okay, so we're going to enter rewards aspect now, and it is going to show you this. We talk of recharge there, and we talk of pink team. So this pink team is the cumulative team or rewards. Okay, and this coin balance is the balance you earn from your coins, and it will be showing the coins here, and as well as the balance in the value in USDT. Okay, to know more about this, if we click on this small mark there, it's going to take us to this place, which is in this particular place, to know more what coin is. According to what is written there, it says coins are rewards for complete task. Okay, on Event Center, you can check how many coins you could earn on Event Center list and get coins as reward once you finish an event. The coins are your earnings asset and will be saved in your rewards account. Okay, so that means that you earn coins from the event center. So we're going to discuss that. And if you scroll down a little bit, you also see what is team reward. Team reward is a part of coins earned by your teammates. Basically, you can get 10% sharing of the reward coins from your teammates. How to earn more coins? Okay, so you here it is basically talking about how to increase your coin balance. Okay, and it says here are two ways for you to earn more coins. Number one is finish more events in Event Center, and secondly, invite more teammates to earn. And finally, which is the most important question here, is how to withdraw. Okay, and it says that withdrawal will redeem coins in your rewards account into USDT on Polygon chain to your blockchain account. Please note that withdrawal is irrevocable. Once you withdraw, you have to withdraw. And it says that withdrawal shall meet the following conditions. Before you withdraw, you must meet the following criteria. Number one, at least 500 coins balance in rewards account. Okay, so you must have at least 500 coins in rewards account and be earning for at least 30 days. Okay, and besides, if you already have 10 teammates or 1000 team reward coins, you can withdraw directly after 7B earning session. I think you understand. So this is the criteria for withdrawal. So if you are met up with this criteria now, that means you can withdraw your balance. And to withdraw is very simple, as stated earlier. When you come to blockchain here, you click on send, then you send to any wallet that you want to trade it, then you send it out. But before you will be able to withdraw this, also another important information, which is your KYC. If we come to this place, we come back home now. Okay, so this is home, then we click on this, which is settings here. After clicking on settings, it's going to show us this. So as you can see right here, this is my profile, and here is your earning team, account security. The most important thing is your KYC verification. I believe you must have completed the KYC verification now, and it is showing mark here. So without that, you will not be able to withdraw. So those are the criteria you need. And for the event center, how do you earn from event center? As you can see, this is a plus sign here. If I click on it right now, it is going to take us to event center, and as you can see, this is event center here. So you can enter any of them that are still active and perform. As you can see, most of them have been ended. Okay, so you look for anyone that is still active and participate in it. After participating in it, you earn the coins. As you can see, for this event, for participating in this event, people earn about 300,000 coins. These people earn about 600,000 coins. These people earn about 1,000 giveaway, and this is how the event is going on. The particular event I joined recently is Bloom event, and as you can see, it is joined recently because it is the one I performed last. So you have to give it a trial, guys, and this is what I have for you for now. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.